very cheerful good morning, dear students. With the continuation of the topic types of computer or the classifications of computer according to size. The last lesson we discussed that there are different categories of the computer according to size, like supercomputer, mainframe computer, server and microcomputer. So today we are going to cover two types of the computer which comes under the category of microcomputer. One is desktop computer and the second one is notebook computer. First, desktop computer. These are the computers which we usually see or which we usually use in our day-to-day life, maybe at our school, maybe at our homes, maybe in our offices. We use these types of the computer and they are very useful for us as well. They are designed in such a way that they fit properly on a one table or on a one desk. They have separate monitor screen, separate keyboard, separate mouse, separate CPU. When they form together, it is called desktop computer, and it's easy to work on this computer, and this is also having very high speed to solve all the problems. Next is notebook computer. They are also called laptop. They are very small in size, lightweight, which can be carried easily from one place to another place. In this types of the computer, we don't have separate monitor screen, no separate keyboard is there. Each and everything is fitted properly in the form of one product, and we can carry it easily from one place to the other in our bag only. Next type under the category according to size, mobile devices. Mobile devices is also used to store the data temporarily on the memory inside it and a small storage media such as memory card. There are mobile devices which are also small in the size, easy to carry. They contain storage device like memory card, which is used to store the data inside it and which is used to perform our many tasks, or which is very useful for us for performing various work. Size small enough to carry in the bag, mostly found everywhere. Speed is also increasing, although they provide very good speed. Uses it can also be connected to personal computer for exchanging information. Now the examples are tablet PC, smartphones, ebook reader, smart watches, digital camera, game console. These all are the types of mobile devices. So the very first is tablet PC. I think you people had already seen that tablet PC. They look like your mobile phone, but they are just bit larger or big in the size as compared to your mobile phone, which is used to perform various tasks. Like we can use the tablet as a small computer and for performing different operation that we used to usually perform in our mobile phones. Next type is smartphone. Smartphone or your mobile phones which we are using at home. We can also use internet on it. If we having internet, we can also do many operations on the smartphone. It's used for capturing photographs also if we have camera phone, and we can do the call with the smartphones as well. Ebook, next is ebook reader. This is basically used for reading books. What's the use of this device is that it contains different books in the form of PDF. What we can do is that if it is very difficult for us to carry 50 books with us from one place to another place. So what we can do is that we can carry a one device that is called ebook reader. In that we can store various books in the form of soft copy, and we can just read it easily anywhere by using ebook reader. Next one is smartwatches. These are also very common in today's life. We can worn it on our wrist. This is also, as it is a watch, it also shows us time, as it is now it's called smartwatch. It means that we can perform some other work as well, like we can check our messages. If the smart watch is connected with our mobile phone, we can connect our mobile phone with the smartwatch. We can check the message, we can check the calls, we can do other activities also on your smartwatches. The next one is digital camera. This is basically a mobile device which is used to capture the photographs, as it contain memory card in it, and we can store the pictures in it also in the form of soft copy. Last one is game console. Like we are using playstations at home to play the games, these are also comes under the category of mobile computing, and it designed for the single player, means only one person can play as well, and multiple player means more than one people can play games by using your game consoles or the playstations, having the screen and the other devices also, like remotes we have with the PlayStation to play the games. And last, they have given some popular examples of your game console like Sony PlayStation, etc. So this is all about your first chapter, or the types of computer or classification of computer according to size, different types. Thank you.